Importance, significance, and reason of making Fitrana mandatory. Fitrana, also known as Zakat al-Fitr, is a mandatory charitable contribution given by Muslims at the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting. It holds significant importance in Islam, supported by both Hadiths, sayings and actions of Prophet Muhammad, and Quranic verses. 1. Fulfilling the obligation of Zakat. Zakat al-Fitr is one of the forms of Zakat, which is obligatory upon Muslims who possess the wealth above a certain threshold, nisab. It serves as a purification for the fasting person from any indecent act or speech, and to help the poor and needy. 2. Cleansing and purification. It is narrated by Ibn Abbas, may Allah be pleased with him, that the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The fast remains suspended between heaven and earth until the Zakat al-Fitr are paid." Tirmidhi. This hadith highlights the importance of Zakat al-Fitr in purifying the fast and making it acceptable to Allah. 3. Assistance to the needy. Fitrana is obligatory upon every Muslim, regardless of their financial status. It serves as a means to provide assistance to the poor and needy members of the community, ensuring that they can also enjoy the celebration of Eid and meet their basic needs. 4. Expressing gratitude. Giving Fitrana is also a way of expressing gratitude to Allah for the ability to fast during Ramadan and for the blessings received throughout the month. It is a way of acknowledging these blessings and showing appreciation through charitable giving. 5. Unity and solidarity. By making Fitrana obligatory, Islam emphasizes the importance of unity and solidarity within the Muslim community. It encourages individuals to share their blessings with those who are less fortunate, fostering a sense of compassion and brotherhood among believers. Quranic support for the obligation of giving charity can be found in several verses, such as, "And they give food, in spite of their love for it, or for the love of him, to the miskin, the needy, the orphan, and the captive, saying, We feed you seeking Allah's countenance only. We wish for no reward, nor thanks from you." Quran Psalms 76, 8-9. The example of those who spend their wealth in the way of Allah is like a seed of grain which grows 7 spikes. In each spike is 100 grains. And Allah multiplies His reward for whom He wills. And Allah is all-encompassing and knowing. Quran, Surah Al-Baqarah, 261. In conclusion, Fitrana is mandatory in Islam as it serves various purposes, including purifying the fast, assisting the needy, expressing gratitude, promoting unity, and fulfilling the obligation of zakat. These principles are supported by both hadiths and Quranic verses, highlighting the significance of charitable giving in Islam.